Hello and welcome to Look Back, Look Ahead. I'm Frank Calderone. Last week, ending October 4th, the major indexes were pretty much unchanged as investors weighed the week's economic data and geopolitical events. Job openings in August increased to 8 million from an upwardly revised number in July, as the largest drivers of the increase were in construction and state and local government. The ISM manufacturing PMI remained unchanged and is still in contraction territory. Total construction spending continued its downward trend in August as it declined by 0.1% compared to July. The ISM Services PMI came in higher than expected, showing that the U.S. service sector, the largest sector in our economy, is continuing to expand at a strong pace. Factory orders in August were lower than expected, with the weakness driven mostly by transportation equipment. New jobs surged by 254,000 in September. Healthcare, leisure and hospitality, and government jobs accounted for most of the increase. The unemployment rate declined to 4.1 from 4.2%. Year to date, the Dow is up 12.4%, the S&P is up 20.6%, and the Nasdaq is up 20.8%. The yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury bond is 3.97%. Oil closed at $75.38 a barrel. Gold closed at $2,651.51 an ounce, with silver closing at $32.19 an ounce. For this week of October 7th, Monday we'll get consumer credit data. Tuesday, the NFIB Optimism Index and the U.S. trade deficit will be reported. Wednesday, we'll get wholesale inventories. Also on Wednesday, the Fed presidents of Atlanta, Chicago, Dallas, and San Francisco will give their comments on the economy. Thursday, initial jobless claims and the Consumer Price Index, or CPI, and core CPI will be reported. CPI is a measure in the average change in prices that consumers pay for a market basket of goods and services. Core CPI excludes food and energy. And on Friday, the Producer Price Index, or PPI, and core PPI will be reported. PPI is a measure of inflation on the wholesale level. And as always, we'll keep a watchful eye on these and any other events that may and will shape the markets. If you have any questions with anything you've heard in this video, please give us a call. Also, if you have investable assets of $300,000 or more, we can provide you with a complimentary detailed financial plan. Call for details. We are accepting new clients. This is Frank Calderone from Raymond James in New York. Have a fantastic week. Be well, stay safe, and remember, always look ahead.